Hello everyone. We will now learn how to navigate through the Bluebeam Revu software. First, we'll locate the navigation bar, identify the icons on the navigation bar, navigate your workspace with your mouse, organize the workspace, and demonstrate the split and sync screen options. First, the navigation bar is located beneath the main working space, and when open, it appears above the markup list. The status bar should be located beneath the navigation bar. The split and unsplit screen. You can split your screen to see multiple views in the same PDF, or even open up a web page directly in Revu. Split the workspace horizontally, vertically, or both. Let's split the screen horizontally. Let's split vertically. You can go into each window and pan the document over. If you want to go back to a single document, just click the X on any one of the tabs to close the split. The sync screens. To keep your scrolls and zoom modes synchronized across the split screens, use the synchronized view icon on the status bar. So before we use the synchronized screen, let's go ahead and split this screen. Now I have two separate documents, and what we want to do is synchronize this screen. Synchronize views. Pan up, and the other document follows. Sync screens. Let me unsync. Pan. There you have it. Let's check the X on that tab. Let's take a look at the one full page view mode. When you open up a PDF, Revu will automatically detect its size. The page size is shown at the bottom right of the interface. The default mode for large width PDFs, for example 42 by 30, is one full page mode. When in the full page, the cursor has a hand with a magnifying glass. This indicates that the scroll wheel on your mouse allows you to zoom in and out. The default mode for documents smaller than 11 by 17, for example, Word documents, is scrolling page mode. When in scrolling pages, the cursor has a hand with arrows on both sides. In this mode, the scroll wheel on your mouse will move you vertically through pages. You can manually change the scroll wheel behavior for the PDF by clicking the icons on the navigation bar, or quickly toggle between both modes by holding down the Control key while navigating. Here's the easy one, pan. Let's hit pan. Here, we can pan around the document in any direction. Simply click and drag your left mouse button. Switching pages. You can go to your navigation bar to go to the next or previous page, first or last page, or jump to a specific page by entering the page number in the page field. For example, next page, previous, last, and first page. With the previous and next view options, these buttons go back and forth between viewed locations. Let's zoom in on an exact location in this document. Next, let's pan to a different location. Now, let's hit the previous button. We are back at the same spot.